Gentlemen, my name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, and VIP lifestyle development coach. Now, I just launched my Daygame mastery course. And one of my students asked me, he's like, dude, I don't know how to dress. I don't have the right fashion. I don't have the right look. And I'm like, no problem, homie. I got you. In this video, we're going to talk about fashion hacks, tips, tricks you can use to make yourself 10 times more attractive. So sit back, hang tight, and let's jump straight in. So we're going to talk about some fashion hacks you can use to increase your look. This is what we call looks maxing. I had a student who flew in the other day, and this kid was shy, awkward, and had no fashion sense. So what it is, I took him out to the mall, and he dropped a couple G's, a couple $1,000s on new clothes. And look, what you invest in yourself is what you get out of it, right? And so he bought a Versace belt. We took him to Zara. He bought a nice coat. He bought all these different outfits, all these different styles. But you don't need to spend a lot of money in order to look good. I'm going to give you a few tips right here in this video on how you can just instantly look 10 times better, okay? And this is guaranteed you to get, you're going to get more laid, more, like, simply put, vagina coming at all angles. Like, woo, pussy everywhere. This client of mine, he did a program with me 4 months prior. He'd only been with 3 girls his whole life. He had a boot camp with me. I hadn't seen him in 4 months, and he'd been with over 30 women. And on the program, while he was staying with me, he hooked up with 5 girls in 3 days. He hooked up with 3 girls in 1 night, and I saw it with my own eyes. It was really impressive. So what did he do, and what can you do in order to achieve similar results? So before we jump into it, I've taken all this content from my Daygame Mastery course. This is something that I only teach for my VIP students, but I'm teaching to you right now. If you want to learn more about this stuff, though, daygamemastery.org. Go to daygamemastery.org. You can do 2 things. You can get the Daygame Mastery course, and if you don't want to get the Daygame Mastery course, sign up for a free VIP email list. Put your name and email, and you will get access to free videos, articles, content on our VIP email list, our newsletter, essentially, that is giving you free content, free value every single day that will change your fucking life and change your dating life and change your game. And let's kick it. Let's go. Let's talk, okay? The number one thing you could do if you want to improve your aesthetic is piercings and tattoos. I never even liked the idea of piercings and tattoos, but goddamn, does this mother shit, this shit, dude, I swear to God, it gets you fucking laid. Because what you're doing, firstly, is you're breaking your stereotype. Maybe you're like some nerdy white guy. Well, guess what? Now you're this edgy, cool fucking dude. Okay? Maybe you're some ethnic minority man. Your name is Rakesh Harpreet Singh from Bangalore, India. Well, guess what? Now your name is Chad because you're hot. Because you got piercings and fucking tattoos. Okay? You got piercings and tattoos. Okay? You got your ex-girlfriend's kiss tattooed next to your dick. Well, I mean, I do, right? You got the word confidence tattooed on your arm. You got piercings. Maybe you have a sleeve. Maybe you have a neck tattoo. At least get your fucking ear pierced. Don't be a pussy. Step out of your fucking comfort zone. This is gonna get you fucking laid. This is gonna get you the results you wanna get. This is gonna allow girls to see you as more of a dating option because it increases your sexual market value. It's that simple. It's that simple. Okay? So that's number one fashion hack. Without even changing your fashion. Piercings and tattoos, baby. Okay. Number 2, get a fucking beautiful haircut. There's one called I think it's called like the pompanoid, or something like that. Essentially, I call it the fuckboy haircut, fuckboy chic. Trim the sides, line up. You get a line up here, line up on the sides, little line up in a fade. Okay. Very important. Keep the top long, slick it back. There you go, baby. Groom your beard. Groom your eyebrows. Do your fucking eyebrows. Seriously. Life hack, groom your eyebrows. Go to like one of those Chinese ladies who get a thread and do your eyebrows. Costs like $7 or something like that. Maybe it'll cost you $20, okay? Costs $7 to $20, get your eyebrows done, and you automatically look harder than most dudes, okay? Haircut, beard, eyebrows. You got your face, your looks maxed. Then you got your ear piercing, and you got a fucking tattoo on your fucking arm. Right away, you're probably in the top 20% of guys in terms of looks and aesthetic, just from doing those two things. Really powerful stuff here, okay? Then what you want to do is hire a fashion consultant, stylist, or come to a program man will teach you fashion. And what you want to do is you want to dress high end while being edgy. So things like chains, things like chokers, a little bit of ice, a nice little watch, you know what I'm saying? And then you have all these cool accessories. So you got bracelets, you got the rings, right? You got rings, bracelets, chains, right? You got the piercings, right? And you got the tattoos. So it all just works together. Okay, really, really powerful. So all these little fashion accessories. It's number 3. It's really important. The number 4, what you want to do is your actual fashion, your actual what you wear. What you wear is so fucking important, dude. What you wear is so fucking important. Okay, I'm talking about clothes that fit. I'm talking about slim fit, skinny jeans. If you're a smaller body or if you're a bigger type archetype, body archetype, you want to try to use clothes that fit. So things that would kind of like hug your body, okay? Really important. So I always recommend dressing a size down or just dressing in slim fit clothing. Very, very, very important, okay? Super, like extra important, okay? And then you also want to make sure that your clothes are like high end. So what I love to do is, because obviously I live in Canada, turtlenecks with blazers. Or dress shirts with a blazer. Because think about this, right? Who's dressing like this? The top men in society, the top guys. So there's something called association bias, where women are looking at the top guys in society on TV, politicians, celebrities, influencers type people. They're all dressing well. They're dressing in high fashion. Then they look at you dressing in high fashion. They're like, oh, wow. Subconscious correlation. Now they assume you're a high value man. Just like that. Now, here's what you can do as well. You can wear designer clothing. You don't even need to spend the money on it. Go buy some fake Burberry from China. Go buy yourself a fake Louis Vuitton belt shipped straight from Beijing. Okay? Seriously. Just fucking do it. Or spend the real money on the real thing if you have the money. Okay? But girls actually look at that and they're gonna wanna fuck you a little bit. Maybe like if you have that or if you don't have that, the fact that you have that makes you a little bit more fuckable. Just a little bit. At the end of the day, all that matters is your game, your personality, your articulation, the way you make the girls feel, your communication, etc. But you need to make sure that you play the part. They need to feel that you're the guy who just fits in their reality. They need to feel like if you were to hook up with her, it just kind of makes sense because you're the kind of guy you should usually go for. Because you're wearing the ripped skinny jeans, you got the chains, you got the tattoos, you got the piercing, you got the haircut. You look like her last 3 ex-boyfriends, you dress like him too, and you talk like him too. It's really important. You need to play the part of the eccentric fuckboy. You need to play that character. You need to have that vibe, and you need the fashion, the grooming, and the aesthetic to match that. Okay, now guys, we have a full-on part of our curriculum in our Daygame Mastery course where we talk about this in immense detail. Go to daygamemastery.org and get a copy of the fucking course. Invest in your learning and change your life forever. Daygamemastery.org. And you can also sign up for a free VIP email list. We'll send you a ton of free videos, articles, guides, information so you can learn how to completely change your dating and your date game and your dating life in general and kill it at the highest level when it comes to meeting people, when it comes to dating, and when it comes to just fucking having the most amazing experiences in life, and really at the end of the day, changing the person you become along the way. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, and VIP lifestyle development coach. I love teaching you guys this stuff, so if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. Subscribe and click the bell notification. Just do it. I guarantee you, if you subscribe, you're going to get laid. If you don't subscribe, you're probably not going to get laid. If you subscribe, you're gonna get laid. My average subscriber fucks more attractive women than the guy who's not subscribed. And it's that simple, okay? And they're doing it in a way that the girls love it. Like the girls are fucking them. They're not fucking the girls. The girls are chasing them, okay? They're not chasing, they're attracting. They're attracting women. So subscribe, click the notifications so you're notified new videos. Follow me on Instagram, my new Instagram, DrunkJustin2. Go follow me and watch my daily Instagram stories, okay? Go follow me. Message me if you have any questions. Get the Daygame Mastery course. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. I love you. Love you guys. Appreciate that. Leave a thumbs up right now. And we'll see you soon in a new video. My name is Justin Marc. Talk to you soon.